as you can see what we are at the Cars and Coffee here in Parker, and there are the cars, and we're gonna look at some cars.
The starting of the week, at Summit Talks you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. Come with it. Could be sitting, taking lunch.
I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA.